It's my compressor. Right there are my horns. I have 4 of them. Let's go scare the fuck out of some people.
Okay.
I got the good one now.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
As good as I'm gonna get. Oh, dude, that was...
Ready?
Go ahead.
Did they jump?
I'm ready. Go ahead.
I'm too mature for that.
You good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
You good?
Yeah.
What's up, brother? Oh, shit. She's all hooked. Yeah. Oh, shit. Stop, brother! Go. Go. Woo! Woohoo! No, go forward a little bit and go. Good. The dad jumped more. That's epic. Go. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. What's up, brother? Yeah.
I'm gonna show you. I'm on TV. Yeah, man. What up? Yeah.
This will be on YouTube later, alright? Check.
Go.
Go.
Zoom in. Get her outside the room. Yeah, brother! What's up, man? Hey, hey, hey! What's up? That was epic.
You good? Yeah. Oh my god, that was amazing.
Oh shit! Woo!
Let's wait a little bit. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Go.
You good?
Yeah.
That was. You good?
Yeah.
that jump?
The blue guy, yeah.
Did you get him? Did you get him?
Yeah. You wanna get the chick? Go. Yeah. Go. Go. Oh my god, that was Go. Yeah.
It's going.
This ain't gay. Okay.
You good?
Yep.
Oh shit!
Do it. Do it. What's up, bro? Was that funny? That's a loud horn, huh? Fuck me.
Alright, ready, Joe? Are you recording? You ready?
Go.
Did they jump?
Yeah. Now they're laughing about. Yep. That was pretty fucking funny.
Yeah, it's good. You like that? Should record the front row.
They're not even looking.
That was funny. That was really
She's like, where the hell did that come from?
Look at the
They're both looking.
You still recording the game?
Yeah, no, still recording. She's looking at us.
Look at the guy in the green. Record the guy in the green. Shit. Look at- He's still waiting.
That was so fucking funny.
Just honk at him. Yeah.
Nice siren, man. Did yours have a train horn? When I got mine, it came with a train horn. You want to hear it?
No, I can't. Oh, I just put it.
Mine came with a train horn. Do it. They're on the news. Do it.
We got some asshole following us.
Man, you got angry. I'm sorry.
Hey, calm down, man.
Fucking weird, go!
Cut on the freeway.
Those horns kick ass, man.
Yeah.
Get the shit out of it.